Hello everyone, it is Collab time with the group Beauty Over 40. Everyone who's taking part in today's collab, the information is in my description box. Please go check them out. The theme for this collab for February is the Academy Awards, and it is the 95th year of the Academy Awards. So I'll be creating a look that you will see at the Academy Award. Nice, soft, elegant. Let's see if I can do that because I like wild colors. So again, all the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, the information is in my description box. Please go check them out. Now I'm gonna create a look like I am getting an award. Let's see what I create. Keep watching. The award goes to me. Yeah. The award is for Simply You Makeup, better known as V. This is my Academy Award. This is my complete look for the Academy Award. The ladies' information is in the description. Please go check and see what Academy Award look that they created. I used 2 of Juvias Place palettes to create this look. Since it is the Academy Award, I did another hair change. And the award goes to Simply You Makeup, better known as V. Yay! Academy Award dress. It's very long. Yeah. My bling, my Academy Awards. Yay! Thank you all for watching. This was fun. This eyeshadow look was fun. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I am saying to stay fabulous, and I will see you soon. Bye.